Welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about the smoothing filters. So, coming to the smoothing filters, we will be actually having two types of filter. One is the box filter. We will call it box filter, and second one is the weight filter. One second. So, what does box filter mean? Means in all neighborhood, it will be having similar weights. So, we will call it box filter. All coefficients are equal. And the second type of the filter is a weighted average filter. In this particularly this filter is used when we want to give more value uh, to the gray values which are near to the central pixel. So actually, when we will place this filter on the sub image, then this will be the central pixel, and the values which are very close to the central pixel will be given higher weightage. So this type of the filters are called the weighted filters. So this is the examples I have already shown you that how we can achieve different type of outputs using different type of smoothing filters as 3 cross 3, 5 cross 5, 9 cross 9, 15 cross 15 and 35 cross 35 filters. We have discussed in our previous video, and this is one more image in which this image is taken by the Hubble Space Telescope, and the image is being processed by a 15 cross 15 averaging mask, and uh, after processing it with 15 cross 15 mask, we are just done thresholding. So after thresholding, this result is obtained. So we can see that if we want to count the number of objects in the image, then it will be easy if we do these operations first by averaging by using averaging mask. If we convert the averaging mask of 15 cross 15, the image will be converted to this image, and after thresholding, this image will be converted to this. So as we can see, the objects are more clear in the final image. Now we will talk about the order statistics filters. So basically, as the name suggests, order statistics means the ordering of the elements in the filter basically plays an important role in the output after the processing. So there are basically three types of filters which are basically known as order statistics filter: median filter, max filter, and min filter. So there are the different type of uses of these filters. When we use which type of filter depends upon the need. So suppose we want to remove the spiky components such as impulse noise and salt pepper noise, then it will be good to use median filter. If edges are to be preserved, then it is good to use median filter. And suppose we want distinct gray levels, we want that distinct gray levels will be more like to their neighbors, then we will use median filter. So how the median filter works actually? So suppose we want to calculate the output of the median filter. The output here is 20. So how the 20 came as a result? So what we will do, we will arrange all the gray values in the ascending order. So the minimum gray value is 10. Minimum gray value is 10. Then the next gray value is 15. Then next gray value is 20. Then next gray value is 25, and the next gray value is 100. So these are the different gray values in this particular mask. So what we will do, we will find out the median of all these values. So median of all these values is 20. So basically what we are doing, we are ordering the elements, and after ordering we are selecting the median. So this is also a type of order statistics. Means we are using order metric somehow to choose the to do the final changes in our image. So this is the example of the median filtering. And if we talk about the min filtering, so what we will do in min filtering, the output of the min filtering will be, what we will do, we will choose the minimum value from this ordering. So minimum value is 10. So the output of the min filter will be 10. So in this, if we talk about the third case, that is the max filtering. So we will choose the element which is at the last. That will be the maximum element. So the maximum max filter will return 100. So in median filtering we get 20, in min filtering we get 10, and in max filtering we get 100. So what we basically do in order static filtering, we will arrange the gray values in some order and choose the elements depending upon their order. So this is known as the order static filtering. So there are the three type of order static filtering: median, min, and max. Because all these metric depend upon the orders of the gray values. So median filter example, here we have shown that this is the circuit board, and in second, in B part, what we do, we are using 3 cross 3 averaging mask, and after convoluting 3 cross 3 averaging mask, we get this image. And uh, again 3 cross 3 median filter is used. So after using this median filter, we are tending towards this image. So we can see that this image is more clear. So this is basically an enhancement process, and in this enhancement process we are using 3 cross 3 averaging mask and 3 cross 3 median filter. And so we can see that if we are somehow to deal with the circuit boards or electronic printing, then it will be good to use. If you want components more clearer, then it will be good to use median filters. And it was all about the order static filters. So now I will discuss uh, one numerical. I have already given it in your tube. So coming to that, VIP lecture. So the one question, I think three in problem set 3. The first question was, what would be the result of applying order static filters on the following image? So image is actually, again we have to take the this. Okay, so they have given image like this. The question is, so now so what will be the result of applying order static filters on the following image? So this is the image. Actually, how this image will look like. Uh, this is written one-dimensional representation. So actually, this will be represented in the form of the rows. So this is one row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. So 11, 14, 18, then 14, 13, 13, 15, third row, 15, 19, 11. They are saying what will be the result of applying order static filters on the following image. So what we will do, there are the three type of order static filters we have discussed. One is the median filter. So in the case of median filtering, what we will do, we will arrange all the elements in the ascending order. So 11, then the next is 13, the next is 14, then it comes the 15, and then it comes the 18, I think. So these are the five different gray values. So in median filtering, what we will do, we will take the median, that is the 14. So the central pixel, if we talk about, if say, what will the value of the central pixel, the value of the central pixel will be changes to 14. Again, if we use the min filter, then what will be the output? So in the case of min filtering, we will take the minimum value. The minimum value is 11. So in case of min filter, the gray values of the central pixel will be. Then in the case of the max filter, it will be 8. So in this way, we can solve the numericals to find out what will the output of the order static. Thank you. This is all for the for today's lecture.